If you are lucky to be blessed with twins or you know somebody about to have twins, Lil Baby thought of absolutely everything with this. And so stick with me. I'm going to show you all of the features that you're going to get when you guys pick this up. The first thing is a flip over changing table. I can't tell you how many times this will be used, whether you're at home or on the road. There's a little safety belt for them so they don't fall off this table, but the table just folds and flips down, okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing is, obviously, there is a bassinet area large enough for twins. So you can place two separate bassinets on top here, which is a really nice feature. And also down below is a play area with a really thick mat. On the front here, they give you a little storage area. So here you can place your wipes, your diapers, some powder, and you can stack all of your diapers up in here. If you have twins, you're going to need probably even more room than this, but this gives you enough for the afternoon. All right. So also are the bassinets. Okay. So these bassinets are a standard size bassinet, but they come with some cool features. The first thing is a music box that plays all different types of music. It's got little toys that dangle down, padded areas along the rail and on the mat here. What's cool too is it is a rocking bassinet, so you can either have it rocking or you can move these feet, which actually prevents it from moving. Now, it's very easy to install these in. You actually just set them in there and you push these clips down onto the rail and they stay tight. You can see this one. I have not put the other pieces together for this, but there is enough room, as you guys can see, for two bassinets side by side. Now, these actually, it's fairly heavy. So that's actually a good thing in my opinion, because it's very sturdy, right? You don't want this thing moving around, but in case you've got it somewhere where you're afraid it might start moving, there are wheels with kind of wheel chocks here, which is nice. You can kind of set this down and it prevents it from moving anywhere. All right, so that's the Baby Trends double twin bassinet. Thanks for watching another SmartTips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.